So how does the system work? I understand that the medical marijuana system in the state of Florida can be very confusing to a lot of people. I'm going to try to simplify it a little bit for you. The state of Florida passed legislation to allow patients who qualify access to medical marijuana to use as a medication or an alternative treatment for specific conditions. What that means is that you have to first find a physician and a team that you feel comfortable with, that has the knowledge to be able to point you in the right direction with regard to your treatment. And when you come in to see that physician team will first qualify you, determine if you're an appropriate candidate for medical marijuana, and if so, they will issue a patient registry ID number. With that patient registry ID number, you can then go to the state of Florida online and complete an application to become a patient. The physician who issued that number to you then will list you in the state-based registry. By being listed in the registry, your name, demographic information, your patient ID number, your medical condition, and your treatment recommendations established by your physician will be listed. The state will take 2 to 3 weeks to actually activate or authorize your application. They'll send you an email. It will say your number has been activated. They'll also issue you and send you a patient ID card. That may take 2 or 3 months, so don't wait on that card. As soon as you get the email from the state that says your number has been activated, you can take a picture ID and go directly to the dispensary. The dispensary will then be able to look at the registry, find you, your patient ID number, and your physician recommendations. They will then guide you to the medications that your physician has suggested you try. It's important that you maintain communication with your treating physician. A follow-up appointment, especially during the first certification period, is very important to make sure that you're responding as well as you possibly can to the medication and that you're on the right medication with the right dose for your individual needs. The certification periods in the state of Florida are 210 days. So every 210 days, you have to come back in to see your physician for a face-to-face evaluation. That's mandated by the state. Your card that you apply for, however, is good for 12 months. So look at your expiration date on your card and make sure you give yourself an appointment reminder 30 to 60 days before its expiration so that you can reapply for the card and not let it expire during your treatment. If you have any questions about this process, we at Access Marijuana are here to help you. Kim, our receptionist, is incredibly knowledgeable about the process. She has relationships with the people at the Department of Health that can help walk you through the process as well. So don't hesitate to call us if you have any questions. It can be daunting at times, but that's why we're here.